If you are a new member of our trading community, first of all, welcome. But one of the things you may not be aware of is there are three separate, distinct, but intercorrelated programs that we operate here through our Discord servers. This is a quick overview of each one of those separate programs. So one of the big issues that we try to address here is creating a trading environment that is suitable for any individual's situation. Everybody has different capital constraints, how much money they can trade with. Everybody has different risk profiles, how much risk they are or are not able to be comfortable with. And everybody has a different propensity or ability to be able to get screen time. Some of our trades require full screen time. You got to be in front of your computer during the whole entire trade. Some trades you only need to check in once a week. So we endeavor to build a structure and a matrix of opportunities so that it meets everybody's needs. All of these are separate programs, but they are intercorrelated in that they do work hand in hand. The number one, the premier one, I guess you could say, is what we refer to as our live trading room. Now, there's some aspects of the live trading room. Probably the biggest one that people think about is that it is the place that we do our 0 DTE trades. So we do 0 DTEs 5 times a week. Every single day we will do a 0 DTE. In most instances, not most instances, some instances we will do 2 or more of those a week. So we're doing 5 of these 5 times a week, and sometimes we are double dipping on those. We do have 22 other strategies. So actually 22 more other strategies beyond the 0 DTE. A lot of people really they hone in on the 0 DTE. It gets all the love and the excitement, but there are 22 other strategies that we trade inside of the live trading room. We do a live Zoom inside of the live trading room 3 days a week, 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And those are all recorded for you. And we also have overnight sessions. We have overnight trading in the futures market. So this is the premier trading room. This is where most people sign up and start. It is a subscription of $250 a month. Or if you do the annual, it's $2,500 a year. We recommend that you start with the monthly until you get your feet wet, feel comfortable with the value that it provides, and then you can get some savings by going to the annual basis. But this is our number one premier place that most of you are signing up for. This is our live trading room. Okay, in addition to the live trading room, we have what is called what is affectionately referred to as the AST program. That actually stands for asymmetric trading. And this is asymmetric trading is really for investing. It's for investors, not traders. We're not trading in here, okay? This is for investing. It is passive versus active. Passive in nature. It takes 5 minutes a day, and then you're done. Done for the day, okay? 5 minutes, we enter somewhere usually between 2 and 10 portfolio adjustments each day. Okay, so it has a dual fold mandate. The goal here is, again, twofold. First of all, we are looking to beat the market, beat the passive index. That's the S&P 500 that we are referring to. Beat the passive index of the S&P 500. Number two, and probably more important, do it at less risk. Now, we judge risk, or we measure risk based on standard deviation. So that's the amount of volatility that you have on a day in, day out basis. This program has absolutely crushed the market. We doubled the market returns in 2021, and we did it about 70% less risk. This year so far, this is through September the 12th, 2022, as I'm recording this, we are up 16% year-to-date profit. Market is down 21%. And we are beating the market from a risk standpoint. We're taking 57% less risk so far this year in the market. So, you know, just about 50% over performance versus what the market is doing. It is absolutely a phenomenal program. The AST program, the investing program, couple things to note. You really need about $30,000 of capital, minimum capital, to do the program, because it is investing, and you do need to be properly position sized. I am trading the model portfolio here that I use is about $55,000 to $60,000. It keeps growing every single month, so it's around $60,000. So if you had 30,000, that would be the minimum, and you could do a half of each of my position size. If you have more than that, obviously you can position size accordingly, but you'd like to be able to position size the portfolios according to what we put out there. So 30,000 really is the minimum capital requirement for that. And it is again, passive program. Takes about 5 minutes a day to do. It's been absolutely fantastic. The subscription for the investing program, the AST model, is $150 a month, or you save, you get 2 months free, $1,500 a year. Most of our AST members are on this program, but again, I would recommend that you start with this program, get your feet wet, feel comfortable with the value that it provides you, and then you can switch to the discounted model. So that is the AST program. That's our second of 3 programs that we have. Last but certainly not least is scalping. Now, our scalping program is basically a live feed. It's a live feed of my screen, and you watch me scalp in live time, real time. There is a trade notification that you get as I do a trade. You'll hear a cash register bell sort of go off, and you'll know that I've made a trade. You can see that again on my screen. You can see whether I'm short or long the futures contract and how many contracts I have. There is also a live audio let's try to there we go. There's a live audio of Tick Strike. And Tick Strike is just an audible feed for order flow. This equals order flow. So you can hear the buy orders coming in, you can hear the sell orders coming in. So scalping is just a live feed. There's no real interaction. There's no recording of the trades. They happen too fast. It's a live, everything happens in real time. You get a trade notification when I make a trade. You hear Tick Strike in the background, and you see my screen. Those are the 3 main components here of this system. And that scalping program is basically free to most of our members. Well, essentially free. If you wanted to do it as a standalone, which I don't recommend, it's $95 a month as a standalone. Okay, I don't recommend that. It is, I will asterisk this, it is free. If you are part of the live trading room and AST. Okay. Now I asterisk that because we process our subscriptions through Stripe, and Stripe's minimum payment that they will take is $3.48 a month. So it actually does cost you $3.48 a month. I tried to get it to zero, but I couldn't. So it is $3.48 a month. So scalping should be something that everybody is involved in, because all you need is one good scalping day a month, and obviously you should have a decent shot at creating value out of that $3.48. So that's a quick overview of the 3 programs that we have. I will add a link to all 3 of our programs here inside of the description box if you have any questions.